desperately need customer complaints. I should have guessed what you want to ask. Why would anyone need a customer complaint? Let me tell you why. At TiRapid, we have been working hard over the years to improve our efficiency, and like many companies, we are also working to improve our on-time delivery, or OTD, to reduce the number of customer complaints. We're doing pretty well so far, but the current situation is that we only receive an average of 2 customer complaints for every 300 products shipped per month, or about 1% of each product, which is unusual for our industry. That's pretty good, since the complaint rate in this industry can reach up to 10%. Of the complaints we receive, 1% are misunderstandings on the customer's part, and 1% are our own responsibility. Now we have a young female worker, Zoe, who handles all these complaints, which we prefer to call customer feedback. She will incorporate these feedbacks into our after-sales process, which is part of our lean manufacturing. Because of her diligent follow-up, we saw many great opportunities for significant efficiencies and improvements. Zoe said, "More customer complaints mean more customer feedback, and we should actively obtain and improve our own shortcomings. In the past, I was also a customer of other companies. Now I hope to improve our services from the customer's perspective. Every honest business in the world gets customer complaints, and when I was younger, I really hated getting customer complaints. Now I'm older, maybe a little wiser, and have changed my mind about customer complaints. Maybe customer complaints are all apples that hit Newton's head. There will always be one complaint that makes you suddenly realize. So if you are an entrepreneur and you really care about customer service and product quality, then you should treat every customer complaint, or even mildly negative review, as a huge opportunity for improvement.